This is our third meeting in less than 2 months. Like the last two meetings, the purpose is to discuss the conduct of the 2023 general election, arising from the presidential and National Assembly elections held a week ago, and with the governorship and state assembly elections holding next week. It is imperative to review performance and assess preparations. No doubt, last week's national elections raised a number of issues that require immediate, medium, and long-term solutions. The planning for the election was painstakingly done. However, its implementation came with challenges, some of them unforeseen. The issues of logistics, election technology, behavior of some election personnel at different levels, attitude of some party agents and supporters added to the extremely challenging environment in which elections are usually held in Nigeria. We appreciate the sacrifice and doggedness of Nigerians and the dignity and maturity displayed by political leaders, even in the context of divergent views about the election. A lot of lessons have been learned. Of immediate concern for the Commission is how the identified challenges can be addressed as we approach the concluding phase of the general election, involving the largest number of constituencies, 28 state governorship elections, and 993 state houses of assembly seats. In last Saturday's election, winners have also been declared for 423 national legislative seats, while supplementary elections will be held in 46 constituencies. In the Senate, 98 out of 109 seats have been declared. So far, 7 political parties have won senatorial seats, while in the House of Representatives, 325 out of 360 seats have been won by 8 political parties. In terms of party representation, this is the most diverse National Assembly since 1999 and is illustrated in the table I have provided in my speech. Take the Senate, for instance. Parties in the Senate are as follows, and the number of seats. APC, 57 seats. APGA, 1 seat. The Labour Party, 6. New Nigeria People's Party, 2. People's Democratic Party, 29. Social Democratic Party, 2. And the Young Progressive Party, 1. We are grateful for past 10 years.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for